Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, gagawa tayo ng sarili nating samgyeopsal. All the ingredients are listed down below, so please don't forget to check that out. I will include the price as well so you have an idea on how much I spent with this samgyeopsal. So for our Korean inspired meal, meron tayong dalawang meat, beef and pork. And we have kimchi and Korean fried tofu for our banchan. Ito yung meat natin para sa samgyeopsal. So meron ako ditong bacon slice at saka sukiyaki. Nabili ko sila sa SM hypermarket. Ito mga 100 pesos yung bacon slice. And yung sukiyaki mga 80 pesos lang. And then, minarinate ko sila sa ground black pepper at saka sa salt. Tapos, itong bacon slice, nilagyan ko siya ng konting cooking wine. I marinated the sukiyaki in soy sauce, sesame oil, sesame seed, green chili, garlic, and sugar. So, for our side dish, gagawa tayo ng Korean pan-fried tofu. Simple lang to and napakadali. So, first, hiwain mo muna yung tofu sa, hindi naman masyadong manipis, yung tama lang. I use kitchen towel para ma-drain yung excess water. So, the first step is to fry the tofu until golden brown. Kapag luto na siya, pwede mo muna siyang i-set aside. And then, gamitin pa din natin yung same pan para sa sauce. So, after preparing yung ingredients, iset up na natin yung table. We have here yung portable stove, yung griller, which nabili ko sa Japan, pero makabili kayo niyan sa mga Korean store and sa dep store. I have 2 sauces para sa samgyeopsal, yung Ssamjang and yung sesame oil na may black pepper and salt. If you will notice, wala kaming rice dito kasi ni-replace namin yun with shin ramyun. Believe it or not, I spent like not more than 500 pesos for this meal. That is good for 2 person na yon. Pretty cheap, right? Kasi kapag pupunta ka sa Korean restaurants, yung nag-o-offer ng mga unlimited Samgyeopsal, you will spend like 499 pesos each person. So, naka-save tayo for this meal. So, that's it guys. I hope you like this video and nakakuha kayo ng idea kung paano nyo gagawin yung samgyeopsal at home. And yeah, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you on my next. Bye-bye!